Dirty pop.
Go.
Sick and tired of hearing all these people talk about what's the deal with this hard life and when is it gonna fade out? I think you got to realize what we're doing is not a trend. We got the gift of melody, they're gonna bring it till the end. Come on now. I'm carving drive, but I wear around my neck. All that matters, that you recognize that it's just about respect. Doesn't matter all the clothes I wear and where I go and why. All that matters is that you get hyped and we'll do it to you every time. Come on now. Never wonder why this music gets too high. It takes you on a ride. Feel it when your life starts to rise. If you can't stop, and now all you got. Come on now. This must be dirty pop, baby, baby, you can't stop. I know you like this dirty pop. Ooh, man, I'm tired of singing. Dirty pop. Bye.